कान्हा ताल उत्तराखंड में एक ऐसी जगह जिसकी खूबसूरती की जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम है। यहाँ के व्यूज, सनसेट एंड सनराइज सबका एक अलग ही एक्सपीरियंस है। इस जगह में सुकून, शांति और नेचर से कनेक्ट सब कुछ मिलेगा। इसलिए मेरे लिए ये एक परफेक्ट वीकेंड ट्रिप होने वाली है एंड मैं आपको अपने साथ इस ट्रिप पे ले जाने वाली हूँ, ताकि अगर आप लोग कुछ प्लान कर रहे हो तो ये आपके लिए एक बेस्ट ऑप्शन हो सकता है। Hey everyone, so I'm finally here in Kanatal and the place is so pretty and so beautiful. I'm vlogging as much as I can and I hope you guys will like it. Trust me, it's the second place which I'm visiting in Uttarakhand, like back to back, and it's so pretty. I'm going to show you each and everything. It's best if you are looking for something जहाँ आपको बिल्कुल भी शोर शराबा नहीं चाहिए and बहुत silence है यहाँ, बहुत ज़्यादा. I can't even hear like anything. So इतनी शांति है कि like आपको कुछ भी शोर शराबा नहीं सुनाई देगा. And the rooms are also very pretty, reasonable price because maybe it's off season right now. So yeah, let's go out and explore the place and let's see what it has to offer. बट उससे पहले मैं आपको बता दी हूँ कि कान्हा ताल आप कैसे जा सकते हो एंड मैं यहाँ कैसे पहुँची. सो द कान्हा ताल डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम देहरादून is almost like 102 kilometers, which will take 3 hours to reach this place. You can come by your own vehicle, book a cab or take a bus. Everything is possible. And trust me, the view and the route is just so amazing that you're going to love it. I personally booked the cab because I was traveling with my friend and the cab costs us around 2500 one way because हमें वहाँ stay करना था, so हमने सिर्फ one way का cab लिया था. We stopped at a point to have a breakfast and it was a nice place. बाहर ठंड थी but धूप भी थी, so it was good combination because I feel कि जहाँ पर ठंड ज़्यादा होती है वहाँ पर धूप होना ज़रूरी होता है. And yeah, I mean, we ordered and we were just waiting outside, sitting in this place जहाँ से अच्छी धूप आ रही थी and enjoying the sunlight also. Just to let you guys know कि मैंने कुछ भी bookings पहले से नहीं करवाई है because it was a sudden plan with my friend, so we thought जो भी होगा वहीं जाके देखेंगे, वहीं जाके hotels booking and जो भी हमें explore करना है. कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं ली हमने, हम ऐसे ही जा रहे हैं because I heard about this place and little bit I saw the pictures online, so I was very mesmerized by the beauty of this place. So I really wanted to come here and explore it. And yeah, I mean, I am very excited to see this place. And then we had a breakfast, aloo ke parathe, and trust me, it was so reasonable in price. The quantity was good and the food was delicious. So it was a small restaurant type of shop, but trust me, सब कुछ बहुत ही अच्छा था यहाँ खाने में. So you can stop at a point and have your breakfast or lunch, anything. So after almost like a 1 hour ride from our breakfast point, we were about to reach the place Kanatal, and we were on time. Basically, हम late निकले थे, but I think we covered it on time, and we finally reached this beautiful place. And trust me, यहाँ आते ही there was a different essence in the nature and different view. I feel that it was so fresh everywhere. The thing is कि हमारी कोई bookings नहीं हो रखी थी because it was a sudden plan. We thought हम किसी भी spot पे रुके, we just see the location and then decide. So हमें बहुत एक अच्छी location मिली थी, Kiko Stays. They have these camps type thing like igloo camp and it is so pretty. I feel Kanatal is all about, staying at one beautiful place and experiencing the nature around and the adventure, the activities here are also very good. So you can just pick an amazing stay and then, you can stay there. And I think it is all worth it to stay at one place because everywhere it's so beautiful out there. मतलब यहाँ एक ऐसा कुछ market या कोई city type तो नहीं है, it's just a village kind of thing. So if I talk about the stay, हमें ये वाला stay तो नहीं मिल पाया, Kiko stays, but then we just went for some other stays because यहाँ पर already booking सारी full थी. If I talk about the price of these stays, it will almost like 8 to 9,000 for per night. It is expensive, but it is one kind of its experience, and you have so much things to do inside this property only. So I think you can definitely go for it with your friends, family, or as a couple also, and you can see how breathtaking it is. Okay, so now let me take you to the property where we actually stayed. That was not so expensive. So our property was just behind these Kiko stays. Everything is nearby here. मतलब कुछ properties बहुत पास पास है. So you can just take any and just first look the property कि आपकी preferences क्या क्या है उसके according आप choose कर सकते हो. So we stayed यहाँ पर जो अभी मैं आपको वीडियो में दिखा रही हूँ. These houses, hut houses type of thing was there, and ज़्यादातर ऐसे ही मिलेंगे आपको. This is also kind of resort, but I believe ये काफ़ी cheap है as compared to the camps wala. So this costs us around 2000 per night, and the rooms were very good. I really like the surroundings, the view it is giving from our room. Before getting out, let me give you a small tour of this property where we are staying. So this is a very decent room for two people. The bathroom was enough, like big in size, and everything was very clean and well maintained. And I think पहाड़ों में इतना भी मिल जाए, so it's great. And the price we paid for this property was also great. So after staying there for a while, शाम हो चुकी थी, ऑलमोस्ट रात ही होने वाली थी, बट वी थॉट लेट्स गो आउट एंड एक्सप्लोर दिस प्लेस अ लिटिल बिट. ट्रस्ट मी, यहाँ इतना कुछ करने को नहीं है. इट्स जस्ट फॉर द एडवेंचर एक्टिविटीज एंड फॉर द व्यू विच यू आर पेइंग फॉर एंड स्टेइंग हेयर. सो या आई थिंक वी वर हंग्री एंड हमने सोचा कुछ खा भी लेते हैं एंड थोड़ा बहुत सनसेट भी देख लेते हैं. सो पहले तो हम खाने रुक गए थे बिकॉज ट्रस्ट मी आई वॉज वेरी हंग्री. वी जस्ट ऑर्डर फॉर सम मैगी, पराठा एंड चाय एंड ऑल बिकॉज बहुत ठंड थी. लाइक इट वॉज फ्रीजिंग कोल्ड हेयर. इस जगह की जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतना कम है बिकॉज हम एक रेस्टोरेंट में बैठे थे खाने एंड यहाँ से भी व्हेन वी वर लुकिंग आउटसाइड द विंडो द व्यू वॉज सो प्रिटी एंड ब्यूटीफुल. ऐसा लग रहा था कि यहीं पर बैठे रहो एंड देखते रहो बस बाहर. इतना सुंदर व्यू था. लेट मी शो इट टू यू गाइज. बेसिकली अभी सन सेट होने वाला है एंड यू कैन सी दिस विंटर लाइन अक्रॉस द स्काई एंड ऑल. So it मतलब I don't feel the camera is doing justice, but yeah, this is what it is. And finally our food was here. We ate this bread omelette, Maggie, chai, coffee, and I think I prefer having all these little snacks जब भी मैं पहाड़ों में travel करती हूँ. सो हमारे स्नैक खाते खाते पूरी रात हो चुकी थी बाहर एंड इट वॉज पिच डार्क. दिस इज़ अ विलेज एरिया, सो यहाँ पर स्ट्रीट लाइट्स भी आपको नहीं मिलेगी. सो वी जस्ट स्टॉप्ड, मतलब हमारे जहाँ पर हमने खाना खाया उसके बाहर एंड वहीं से व्यू इतना प्रिटी आ रहा था. सो वी जस्ट स्टेड हेयर फॉर अ वाइल सो दैट वी कैन जस्ट enjoy the view, and after that we went to a cafe, or you can call it a restaurant. It is the same place जहाँ पर Kiko stays है. They have their own restaurant there, and I think यहाँ ज़्यादा अच्छे options नहीं है cafes and restaurant के. So we decided we will go here, and यहाँ पर bonfire भी होने वाला है, so we can do that also. You can pay extra for the activities you are doing here because you're not staying. If you're staying, so everything is included excluding the food thing. So yeah, I think we really enjoyed our food here. The people and the staff here is so good. And I and my friend were here for almost like 2 or 3 hours, and we had some delicious food. The bonfire was amazing and much needed because इतनी ज़्यादा ठंड हो गई थी जैसे ही रात बढ़ रही थी. And you can see the view. I think I only crave for these things: good music, good food, good people, and good view. And I got all of this at one place. So, what's better than that? And that's how we ended our night, with lots of gossip and enjoyment and fun. Good morning, everyone. So it's the next day and our last day in Kanatal. हम सिर्फ 2 days के लिए आए थे. एक दिन कल हो चुका है, एक आज का दिन है, वो भी हम आई थिंक इवनिंग तक चले जाएंगे. So it was a good weekend stay for us. to get escape from that city का hustle bustle वाला life, and I really really love mountains. तो सबसे morning की हमारी start होती है गरम गरम चाय और कॉफ़ी के साथ, जो कि I think much needed है पहाड़ों में. And they have a very good service, the stays and everything, like the staff and everything is very good here, so you don't have to worry about anything. And though ये एक village area है, but you will get all the necessary things here. And I was enjoying my morning ka tea with that sukoon on my face, you can see. Good morning, everyone. So it's 9 a.m. in the morning. I woke up very late because it was so cold outside, and I was so tired also. But oh my god. थोड़ा So guys, I am all ready to leave checkout. आप देख सकते हो, we are all freshen up and ready. It's just that we want to do a breakfast first. वो भी हम इसी जो हमारे stay है उसके कैफ़े में ही खाएंगे. And trust me, वो कैफ़े बहुत सुंदर है. So guys, it's time to check out now. The stay here was amazing, and the staff here is also very good. It's best for when you are coming for weekends. Okay, so it is difficult to say bye to this place and go back to our city life, but that's how life goes on. And you should give yourself these small weekends trip. This is very, very important for our life, I believe. And here is the cafe जहाँ हम अपना breakfast करेंगे आज. So आप देख सकते हो, भीड़ तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं है, because I feel कि ज़्यादा लोग थे ही नहीं वहाँ, बिल्कुल भी ना stays में थे and ना ही cafes and restaurants में थे. So we ordered some parathas and some tea, coffee. So yeah, we really enjoyed the food here. यहाँ हर जगह खाना बहुत tasty था, and the price was also very reasonable. So it will be a budget kind of trip for you all. I played some guitar यहीं cafe में. It was so much fun. It was time to just roam around the place, walk around the places, and just see this mesmerizing beauty around. And it was time to leave now, basically. We enjoyed it so much. We met some of the amazing people here, made good friends, and I think this trip was worth it. And yeah, if you are looking for some place in Uttarakhand, just come here and enjoy and have fun. That's all for my vlog.